loosen off the lower back and the hips. A really simple exercise, effective. All you need is a little space of floor where you can lay down onto your back. It's a nice comfortable position. Knees are bent, feet are flat on the floor. Lying down nice and relaxed. Knees together, feet slightly apart. And all you do is gently push the knees from side to side. Nice and rhythmical. It's a small movement, that's all you need to do. So you're moving the inches a few inches from side to side. Nothing greater than that. You don't want to induce any muscle stretching for this exercise. We're looking at the spinal movement. So it's nice and controlled, nice and relaxed. And that's the knee roll exercise.